Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So a while back, I shared this project with you, and it is a parallax creator by Reaper Wolf 8930. Press the green flag, and wherever you move the mouse, it's going to change the backdrop. Now, this is pretty cool to make it so that you can have it look like a 3D space, but I want to show you another neat idea for how you can make it look like your backdrop is animated. All right, so this project is titled Art Number 1, Vibin at Sea by Superspin de la Pan. And when you press the green flag, it starts playing some music, and it makes it so that everything actually moves. So we've got the water going up and down, we've got our duck moving, got some different particles flying by, etc. Okay, so if you actually click see inside on this, you can see that the way they're doing this is they've got different backdrops that are moving using some different code. So some of them is using like changing the Y, and then others are actually just changing the costumes because it's basically just a GIF and just moving. Okay, so if you're interested in this particular project and doing something similar in something that you're creating, check out the description, which has a link to this, as well as a link to some other resources so you can learn how to create some awesome things in Scratch. If you've got a really neat idea that you'd like us to share on our channel, make sure you comment below a link to your project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.